So you think you're bad with your rap? Well, I'll tell ya, Pilgrim, I started the crap. When you were in diapers and wetting the sheets, I was at the Ponderosa rapping to the beat. Da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha. Sure, I rustled some cattle and tended the sheep, but my main concern was rapping to the beat. I don't bother nobody, I'm a real nice guy, kinda laid back like a dead fly. Da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha, da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha. I'm talking here and now, later for the cattle and rustling the cow. If I had a chance to do a repeat, you can bet your sweet dippy I'd be rapping to the beat. Da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha. Que pasa, amigos? Not a pasa I see. 200 punks, well what you gonna do? I got 2 6-shooters that'll see me through. That's 12 dead and 188 pallbearers. Da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha. What I do on your grave won't pass for flowers either. Now Curtis Blow Run DMC, you haven't heard a rap till you heard it from me. I'm the baddest rapper in history, and there'll be no more after me. Da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, Santa Barbara that is, swimming pools and movie stars. Well, the first thing you know, Ron's the president. The kinfolk said, Ron, move away from there. Said in the White House is where you ought to be. So he loaded up the Lincoln and he moved to D.C. Washington, that is. Politicians taking a sip, foreign dignitaries taking a trip. High tax and plenty Cadillacs. Da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha, da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha. Now you see me in my movies doing my thing, but deep in my heart I've wanted to sing. Way down up on the Swanee River, far, far away. Titwillow, titwillow, titwillow. Well, I don't think that's your style, but I'll tell ya, Pilgrim, I'm versatile. Aretha Franklin, Aretha Franklin, Aretha Franklin, let me rock you, Aretha Franklin, let me rock you, Aretha Franklin. That's all I wanna do, Aretha Franklin. Da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha. Da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha. Oh, I'm feeling the groove now, Pilgrim. Party over here, party over there. There's nothing to it, the way we do it. Whoop, whoop. East Coast, West Coast, Texas. Every time I put on pants, I tell ya, Pilgrim, I wanna dance. I put a quarter in the juke, then I commence to doing the duke. Da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha, da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha. It's pretty easy, as you can see. Just move your arms kinda freely. Do a pause and take a step, and just be sure the beat is kept. Da ha, da ha, da ha 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 ha. I was at the Ponderosa rapping to the beat, trying to cool off from the desert heat. I discovered something really neat. The Duke has moves with his feet. Da ha, da ha, da ha. I won plenty of ladies with my charms, but they like me the most for the moves of my arms. Whoa, whoa. I'm gonna rap in the east, gonna rap in the west. I'll show ya, pilgrim, who's the best. Nothing to it, the way we do it. Skibble a bebop, weebop, Scooby-Doo. Guess what, America, we love you. Da-ha, da-ha, da-ha. Da-ha, 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 da-ha. Everybody, da-ha, da-ha.
Somebody else. Smell it. What do you do? Smell it. What do you do? Smell it. Please don't sit around and cry. Stop asking yourself why. Love yourself and you'll be loved. You just didn't know what time it was. Smell it. Smell it. What do you do when you lost your lover? What do you do when they have gone? What do you do when you want somebody? Oh, baby, you find somebody else. Smell it. Smell it. But a broken heart won't ever heal. If you still think that he still cares when he's been gone for 2 long years. He has a girl and a newborn kid and doesn't think twice about what he did. Instead of asking what to do, go ahead and find somebody new. What do you do when you lost your lover? What do you do when they have gone? What do you do when you want somebody? You find somebody else. What do you do when you lost your lover? What do you do when they have gone? What do you do when you want somebody? You find somebody else. What do you do when you lost your baby? What do you do when he has gone? What do you do when you lost your only?
you cut to when you peeling the scab. If it comes a time and you ain't feeling your real dad, put my face on his body. Don't wait for nobody, don't follow no nigga. That's whole shit, man. Stand on your own too, do yo shit, man. The world is yours. Some girls are nice, some girls are hard. Don't listen to your crew, do what works for you. Standing back from situations, give you the perfect view. You see the snakes in the grass, then you wait on their ass. Bite your tongue for no one, and whatever it said, take it how they want. A closed mouth don't get fed. You know my number when it's cold red. If you wrong, my nigga, you're my nephew. Fuck it, we get it on, my little nigga. Come on. Like that, yeah. Duro, you gotta let it bump. Come on. I know, mama, your little baby, but these streets raise me crazy. Product of my environment, nothing can save me. Thanks for letting me bloom, for your wisdom, for your womb, for the roof over my head, for my shoes, for my bed. For the most important lesson in life was when you said, strive for what you believe in, set goals and you can achieve them. Thanks for the days you kept me breathing, when my asthma was bad and my chest was wheezing. Thanks for the look of love, just as I was leaving on nights you thought I wouldn't come back, that left you grieving. Thanks for holding down the household when times was bad. As a man, I apologize for my dad. When the rent was due, you would hustle like a pimp would do. That wasn't a life meant for you. You're a queen, you deserve the cream. Everything that gleam, everything that shines, everything that's mine. Yeah. Girl, you gotta let it bump. Like that, yeah. Come on, bring the chorus in.
Lines affect me when my rhymes direct me. Forgive the crowds, oh Lord, they know not why they sweat me. Biting's against the law in the place that I live, so I lock up the door with the keys to my crib. They call me the high priestess of disaster, although I'm not to dread and not to rasta. There's never been a word I can't master. I've always been a filibuster. The lesson of today, you have to listen to each and every single word I have to say, because the ruler Lord Ramsey is on my side and I'm the princess of the posse. So yo, take it light. Princess of the posse, me say she a cool one. She rhyme American, she rap Jamaican. Princess of the posse, me say she a cool girl. She rhyme Brooklyn, the Bronx, USA, the world. You try to dissect my rhyme to see if there's a pattern. I bounced it all around you like the rings around Saturn. Let me know now if you would like to protest this proceeding of breeding, or would you rather progress onto a higher plateau? Truly, I'm kicking it slow, enough for you to seek the knowledge and to know. I'm the QUEEN, queen of the RE posse, the GLA, which is get live, alright? You're standing there chewing on your fingernails, nervous, watching me doing the live thing, singing like a bird sing, ringing like a phone ring. I'm the queen and you're the underling. I'm never following, I follow none. The princess of the posse is a cool one. Princess of the posse, me say she a cool one. She rhyme American, she rap Jamaican. Princess of the posse, me say she a cool girl. She rhyme Brooklyn, the Bronx, USA, the world. I'm the queen of the clan with a mic in my hand. I step over suckers to position myself to rule this land. It's a concoction from my ability to show the Caesars the meaning of humility. Cause they don't know I'm not the one to front on or two. I'm snatching hearts cause I'm Latifah and I want to. I find it necessary to tell you to get off my tip. I'm kicking gold, so grab a hold and get a good grip. Stop the lying, the trying, the time buying. You've been denying, cause you're dependent on me. The princess of the posse, yo, I got the cards. So I'm dealing a death blow. You're taking no crowns, put that on cease. My DJ's name is Mark the 45, king to the posse. Peace, gotta let you know where I come from. The princess of the posse is a cool one. Princess of the posse, me say she a cool one. She rhyme American, she rap Jamaican. Princess of the posse, me say she a cool girl. She rhyme Brooklyn, the Bronx, USA, the world. Latifah around the family. Me say me happy to do it for the R.E. posse. You try to be down, you can't take the crown. Maybe from someone else, but not me. Not even around the family. They say me have to do it for the R.E. posse. You try to be down, you can't take the crown. Maybe from someone else, but not me.
Yes. Now this original style is brutal and wild. Sounds like to the left productions to me. Come down. I mean, that concrete jungle with it. Let's see. One, Jesse, one. Yes. That a concrete jungle where me live. A concrete jungle where me live. One that a concrete jungle where me live. I said a concrete jungle where me live. Right. Some a murderer, some a rapists. But in the ghetto, you tell me who's the safest. Some a sell dope on the crack. Yeah, but in the ghetto, how could you escape that? You can't. You got cracking on the rooftop, smoking. Then you got the posse on the corner with the drug selling. Scrambling. Police and helicopter searching. Yeah, but in the ghetto, this is everyday living in the concrete jungle. From down. Right. Amen. What a shame, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame. Tell a boy, crucial. I look at the world today. Rasta, I don't know what the heck to say. Little children want to sell crack just to buy a car, man. What a idiot, boy. What a shame, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame. White brutal. Look how Sharon, look how she get fat. And her father is wondering if her baby is a reason for that. She can't be, cause she's only 13. Sharon told me, say, I breathe, you are breathing. I wake up every day and everything's the same in a concrete jungle. Nothing changes. Nothing changes. Boy, that's a concrete jungle where me live. Concrete jungle where me live. One concrete jungle where me live. That's a concrete jungle where me live. Some are criminal, some are outlaw, some are soft, some be getting hardcore. But in the ghetto, man, you can't take no prisoners, because you ain't getting help from the mayor or the governor. Find the red Professor Wesson, I'm gonna teach them with the lyrics that'll definitely reach them. Becoming know about my history. I know my history. It's not a mystery, and I ain't rhyming just to be paid. My destiny's already made, and I'ma speak the truth. I'm not afraid, cause children need to be taught to fight like a soldier. So instead of taking shorts, we can build with self-discipline and dignity, so they can stand tall and begin to be young, gifted and black instead of mentally raped, and we can all escape from the concrete jungle. Everything's the same. Nothing changes in the concrete jungle. Nothing changes. Everything's the same. Nothing changes in the concrete jungle. Everything's the same. I wake up every day, everything's the same. Concrete jungle.
I know a place where we could go outside and have some fun. Just you and me, together be a one-on-one. I know you remember when we used to chill back when, smoking the blunt. that you don't belong to another. And I know that we were meant to be. You are the only man that I need. Time will tell you, see what I mean. Let's have some fun. Do the things we used to. Oh, let's get together. Just me and you. I know you remember when we used to chill back there, smoking up blunt and sipping on a Heineken. I know a place where we could go outside and have some fun, just you and me, together be a one-on-one. I know you remember when we used to chill back there, smoking up blunt and sipping on a Heineken. I know a place where we could go outside and have some fun, just you and me, together be a one-on-one. I know you remember when we used to chill back there.
Now I have a story that I'd like to tell about this guy. You all know me as me scared as hell. He comes to me at night after I crawl into bed. He's burnt up like a weenie and his name is Fred. He wears the same hat and sweater every single day, and even if it's hot outside, he wears it anyway. He's gone when I'm awake, but he shows up when I'm asleep. I can't believe that there's a nightmare on my street. It was a Saturday evening, if I remember it right, and we had just gotten back off tour last night. So the gang and I thought that it would be groovy if we summoned up the posse and dumb rush the movies. I got Angie, Jeff got Tina, Reddy Rock got some girl I've never seen in my life. That was alright because the lady was chill. Then we dipped to the theater, set to ill. We saw Elm Street, and man, it was death. And everything seemed alright when we left. But when I got home and laid down to sleep, that began the nightmare, but on my street. It was burning in my room like an oven. My bed soaked with sweat, and man, I was bugging. I checked the clock, it had stopped at 12:30. It had melted, it was so darn hot, and I was thirsty. I went downstairs to grab some juice or a Coke, flipped the TV off, and then I almost choked when I heard this awful voice coming from behind. It said, man, I ain't even wait to see who it was. Broke outside in my drawers and screamed so long, cuz got halfway up the block, I calmed down and stopped screaming, then thought, oh, I get it, I must be dreaming. I strolled back home with a grin on my grill. I figured since this is a dream, I might as well get ill. I walked in the house, the big bad fresh prince, but Freddie killed all that noise real quick. He grabbed me by my neck and said, here's what we'll do. We got a lot of work here, me and you. The souls of your friends, you and I will claim. You've got the body and I got the brain. I said, yo, Fred, I think you got me all wrong. I ain't partners with nobody with nails that long. Look, I'll be honest, man, this team won't work. The girls won't be on you, Fred, your face is all burned. I pat him on the shoulder, said thanks for stopping by. Then I opened up the door and said, take care, guy. He got mad, drew back his arm and slashed my shirt. I laughed at first and thought, hold up, that hurt. It was wasn't a dream, man. This guy was for real. I said, Freddie, Hal, it's been an awful mistake here. No further words, and then I darted upstairs. Crashed through my door, then jumped on my bed. Pulled the covers up over my head. Said, oh, please do something with Fred. He jumped on my bed, ripped through the covers with his claws, tried to get me. But my alarm went off, and then silence. It was a whole new day. I thought, I wasn't scared of him anyway, until I noticed those rips in my sheets, and that was proof that there had been a nightmare on my street. Oh man, I gotta call Jeff. Come on. Come on, Jeff, answer. Come on, man.
Hello?
Jeff, it's Prince, man. Jeff, wake up. Jeff, wake up.
What do you want?
Jeff, wake up, man. Listen to me, Jeff.
It's 3 o'clock
Jeff,
in the morning. What
Jeff,
do you
would you
want?
listen to me? Whatever you do, don't fall asleep. Jeff, listen to me. Don't go to
I'll
sleep,
talk to
Jeff.
you tomorrow. I'm going to bed.
Trendsetters up in here. You heard? We coming for that ass. We bout to count up all this cheese. You heard? We don't want none of y'all rats around. Check it.
Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise.
It's a party over here. I got these hoes on lockdown. Those who hate get introduced to the 4-pound. Here's something hot for my thugs and my bitches. Whole little rich boy out to get the riches. Push through Brownsville, drop top Lex with a bag full of dimes like I invented sex. Hit the tunnel, start a dice game. Flex got money, big cap, hold me down in case niggas act funny. Ice on the rissy, drink till I'm pissy. Brooklyn hot boy, nigga go ask Missy.
Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. If he says the horse
Can do.
Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. If he says the horse
Can do. I got the beatbox noise. Y'all niggas is toys. I'm hot like summertime with corduroys. So I rock ice just to cool me off. If your man not home, baby, break me off. Back seat of my Jeep, 2 L's like Jay. Shorty late for work cause we fucked all day. Now she with a man after she showed me love. With scabs on her knee from the rug. It's bugs, so I do what I do best. I get money and I stay jig. Peace to Tupac and Big. And please stop that, I'm tired of whack rap. Big Scoop, Johnny Famous, put your money where your mouth at.
Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. If he says the horse can
do.
Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. If he says the horse can
do. I make the whole world get up soon as I spit up. My style fat, that's why I do sit-ups. I floss more than niggas with food in they teeth. Cause if y'all got it locked, I'm the code to the street, Johnny Famous. I'm here to bring the raw back. I got skills, style, bitches, all that. One verse I'm leaving niggas shook where they stand at. You said he was nice, now you like, where my man at? I'm first class, y'all niggas is on standby. So why I want come test I? When the guns go pop, I leave the red spots. So don't make me bring it to your block.
Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. If he says the horse can
do. Yeah.
Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. Just a minute, boys, I got the beatbox noise. If he says the horse can
do. Yeah. Fully blown, baby.